Like you said, baby, it's
crack-a-lackin'. Ain't that right, Melman?
Oh, yeah. I'm in heaven.
You see, Maurice, Alex is now our friend and the Fusas are nowhere to be seen. It could be said that my plan is working in a very good working kind of way.
Yeah, Alex, you gotta try some of this. I feel good. I feel like a king again.
Ooh, king?
Yeah, you should see his act. Come on, Alex. Why don't you show him some of your act?
Oh, no, I really don't think I can. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, primates of all ages, the Wild proudly presents the King, Alex the Lion. E flat, fellas. Yeah, the King is in the house.
If he's a king, then where's his crown? I've got the crown, got a very nice one, and it's here on my head. Look at it. Have I got it on?
Do the roar, man! Do the roar! Wow, I've never heard that one before. Yeah, go roar! Excuse me, you're biting my butt.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
What the heck are you doing?